Removing heat from a design is critical to its performance, like the electronics enclosure in this underwater mobile power generator. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation delivers powerful, easy-to-use functionality to solve these complex thermal problems. Setup for flow simulation is simple using the Settings wizard, which guides us through the process. This example is external flow with heat conduction, exchanging heat from air to water through the enclosure. Finally, we'll add the initial temperatures and the water velocity. We'll finish the setup by defining the air inside the enclosure and adding the heat sources. After running the simulation, we can quickly identify the locations with high heat transfer into the water. Flow trajectories make it easy to visualize both the internal airflow and external water flow with corresponding temperatures. With the new flux plot, users receive graphical feedback from the heat source to its removal. Heat sources, convection, and conduction can be separated, making it easy to see the heat path through the design. For even greater control, users can now create custom results visualization parameters using logical formulas to generate specific output from the simulation. With SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation, it's easy to visualize and solve your thermal design requirements.